Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply gorilla face effect to your video in CapCut application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and first of all we can go to the effect section. Right here, just click on the effect and you have to select a body effect. And after the body effect has been opened, you can scroll all the way to the right until you find the funny faces effect. This one, click on it. Then here you just need to choose like the gorilla face. This one, click on it. And now as you can see that the effect has been applied to my video. Then we just need to click on this check mark and you can make the effect align with your video by dragging the effect like this. And this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can add or apply gorilla face effect to our video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.